Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will be sharing some important questions that you may get in interview, as well as it is helpful for the students of microbiology and biotechnology for Viva. Let's begin. The first question is, what is microbiology? It is a science that deals with isolation, identification, classification, maintenance, manipulation, study of structural, functional and biochemical activities of microorganisms in detail, in pure form or mixed form, for human and ecological welfare. The next question is, fungi are what? Are they eukaryotes or prokaryotes? Answer is, they are eukaryotes, multicellular form. Can be single-celled. Example for single-celled fungi is yeast. Here note that fungi include microorganisms such as molds and yeast. Okay. The next question is, what is the standard pressure for autoclave? The autoclave must reach and maintain a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes by using a saturated steam under 15 psi of pressure. Here psi stands for pounds per square inch. Okay. Next question is, what is the time and temperature for hot air oven sterilization? It is 160 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes or 320 degree Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Okay. The next question is calibration and validation are same? No, they are not same. In calibration, we compare a standard measurement with the measurement we have taken by using the device. Okay. Here we are comparing the standard measurement with the measurement we have taken by using a device. Okay. And in validation, it provides a document evidence that a process, equipment, method or system produces consistent result. Okay. Next question is, which manual you prefer to identify an unknown culture? It is Burgess Manual of Determination, Bacteriology of 9th edition. Okay. Why is nutrient broth considered as universal growth medium for bacteria? It is a basic media composed of a simple peptone and beef extract, whereas peptone contributes organic nitrogen and beef extracts provides additional vitamins, carbohydrates, salts, etc. Okay, and hence it is considered as universal growth medium for bacteria. The next question is, which part of the bacteria gets stained? Answer is the cytoplasm, especially the nucleic acid gets stained, not the cell wall. Ninth question, which are the positive and negative control for Gram stain? Here most of the students answer the stain, color of the stain. We should answer the bacteria name. Okay. So for the positive it is Staphylococci and for the negative it is E. coli. Full form of E. coli, Escherichia coli. The 10th question is, name a fungus that is Gram positive. It is Candida species. And the 11th question is, describe the color for Gram positive and Gram negative bacteria. Here we are going to answer the color of the strain. Okay. For Gram positive, the bacteria retains a dark blue or purple color due to the crystal violet, and for Gram negative, the bacteria retains a pink or red color due to safranin. Okay. The next question is, what are the essential components of bacterial cell? The three essential components are cytoplasm, genome and cell membrane. 13th question, how the clinical samples or culture disposed after examination? Firstly, the samples are treated with disinfectant and then autoclaved, and finally disposed by incineration. Here first step is disinfectant, then they are autoclaved, then they are disposed by incineration. Okay. The 14th question is, what is GPT? GPT, first GPT is growth promotion test. Okay. It is a testing of microbial culture media in solid or liquid form used in microbial analysis for nutritional quality as per USP, United States Pharmacopoeia. Okay, and GPT includes some rules that are test each new batch. First is test each new batch of the medium. Okay, the next rule is inoculate a medium with small number of organisms. Okay, organisms. The 14th question is can UV pass through UV can pass through what? It is quartz, not the glass. UV cannot pass through glass, it can pass through quartz, which is a hard crystalline mineral consisting of silica found in metamorphic rocks. Thank you. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you.